Take a ride in the 2021 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, remote engine start, active grille shutters, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, roll stability control, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.